session, which just asks, how do you balance the equation for the combustion of octane? So the chemical formula for octane is C8H18. In combustion, this is reacted with oxygen. To form CO2 plus water. So whenever we need to balance the combustion reactions, I like to first balance my carbons first, because typically balancing the carbons, you just see that whatever hydrocarbon you start with has a certain number of carbons. So in our case, octane has 8. So all I need to do is add an 8 in front of CO2. And then next, I like to balance my hydrogens. And this is because if I try to balance my oxygens now, then and I put a coefficient in front of H2O, then my hydrogens get affected. So that's why I like to balance my hydrogens first. So again, let's look at octane. It has 18 hydrogens. So I just need to put a 9 in front of H2O. So now our hydrogens are balanced. And now I like to balance my oxygen. So we have 16 plus 9, which is 25. So you just put 25 in front of O2 and then divide it by 2 to balance out the equation. But if you don't want to have a fraction, you can multiply this whole thing by 2 to get C2C8H18 plus just normal 25 makes 16 CO2 plus 18 H2O. Okay, so the junior tutor said, first, list down the number of atoms for each element on both sides. So this is a longer way of doing it. Then balance the carbon, yep. Balance the hydrogens by placing a 9. And then to balance the oxygen, put a coefficient of 25 over 2. And then they also showed it if you were to get rid of the fraction. And they got the same answer as me. Okay, so the solution is correct. Okay, so those are all the questions for this session. And if you enjoyed today's Q&A and you'd like to be notified of when we do this next, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell below. If you'd like to submit a question of your own, then check out the links in the description. And also don't forget to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed today's video. And also if you wanted to share it with all your friends and classmates if they needed any help with chemistry. This has been Donna from OneClass, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.